Hi guys, today we're going to be working on physical science. I did send home a few video links for you guys to watch, so I hope you watched them and you enjoyed. But today we're going to be talking a little bit more about physical science and what that means. What is it? It's the study of living things, including astronomy, geology, chemistry, and physics. And we're specifically going to be talking about motion today. Woo! Motion is what these objects are doing. It's all about movement. So, what is it? Like I said, it's the action or process of moving or being moved. Everything in our world moves or can be moved. Okay, guys, we're going to watch this video of me being silly, and then it's your turn. So what are some things you can move around in your house? Or what are some parts of your body that you can move? Let's see. Oh, Miss Mills can move all of her pieces. And if you need help, have a family, friend, or someone help you move parts of your body. Now, when we talk about motion, we have to talk about Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, to be exact. And guess what, guys? He was a knight. How cool is that? He was also a physicist and a mathematician. Wow. He helped develop the principles of modern physics, including the laws of motion. If you want to learn a little bit more about Sir Isaac Newton and some fun facts, follow the arrow down here and visit this website. Newton's first law is also called the law of inertia. And that means things or ideas remain unchanged. So, for example, in this first video, we have me holding a pinwheel, and I'm just standing there, so it's not going anywhere. It remains unchanged. And Newton says that objects keep doing what they're doing unless there's an outside force that makes them change that. What does that mean? Well, let's watch the second video. What happens to this pinwheel when I add a little bit of air? Whoa! The force of the air makes it go round and round. And as the air or the force stops, so does the pinwheel. The pinwheel goes back to its original state. Whoa! Newton's second law is just as cool. It's all about force and how there's a push or a pull that acts upon an object. And as a result, the object does something. Now, when we talk about net force, we're talking about all the things acting on an object. Okay, so a behavior. So these little cars here, their behavior is if nothing, no force is acting on them, they're just going to sit real still. Let's see what happens when I do Newton's second law. What happens? What do you think is going to happen when you put a force on these cars? Let's see. All right, I used one finger and a big hand. Oh my goodness. Which car went faster? Let's take another look at the video and see. I used one finger. It didn't go very fast, but when I used my whole hand, whoa, it went right off the table. All right, now Newton's third law. is for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. What? Let's watch the video and see what that means. I have A and I have B. Let's see what happens. Whoa. So that was my opposite and equal action. Both vehicles were hitting each other at the same speed. So it stopped one. That's so cool. Is there something at home that you can try to mimic this? Make sure you have your parents' permission. All right, you guys, and here are some of the sources because remember we talked about how you have to make sure the things you're talking about are real and factual. So if you want to go onto any of these sites and learn a little bit more about Newton's 3 laws, here they are. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.